Hi guys, welcome to Devices Media, and in this video we're going to give you a quick hands-on on the Huawei Ascend Mate. That's the device which was recently launched, which comes with 6.1-inch HD display, which is IPS Plus display. Let me just give you a quick hands-on the device. Before we start off with the quick hands-on, let me just show you that this device is quite hard using with one hand. As you can see, I'm not able to reach the other icons on this device, for which I need to always use my second hand for using all these application shortcuts. Like I can barely reach the camera application here. While I try to reach that, I am tapping onto other applications or shortcuts. So that's one major advantage before I start off with the quick hands-on. Apart from that, the device comes with 198 grams weight, which is quite low when compared with the overall size and the form factor. Let me just show you what all comes onto this device. On the left you have the slot where you can insert the memory cards, and on the top you have the slot wherein you can insert the memory cards. Let me show it to you here. And also wherein you can insert the 3.5mm headset jack. On the right you have the on-off switch and the volume rockers. The build actually looks quite cheap when you check out the device for the first time onto your hands, because it looks like very cheap aluminium kind of body here. Doesn't look strong, but again that all depends on the company, like how they have built up this device. So let me just show you the quick OS version and everything as such onto this device. Let me go to the about area. And as you can see, the device comes with a quad-core 1.4 GHz processor, a RAM of 768 MB, which should actually have been 1 GB, but again that's company's policy, the manufacturing company, that's Huawei. Apart from that, the device comes with 8 GB of storage, that's internal storage, 720 by 1280 resolution, Android 4.1.2 Jelly Bean pre-installed onto this device, and the build number is as displayed here. So that's the hardware point of view of the Huawei Ascend Mate. The device comes with 1080p video resolution. Let me just show that to you here. Let me just show you the camera. So let me just run the camera application. This is the front camera. Let me just switch from front to the back. And now here we are onto the back camera. It doesn't look like a great camera, but let's hope that the 8 megapixel would actually shoot some pretty good decent pictures. Let me just try to capture some picture and show it to you here. Let me try to focus onto this area and see if it actually captures it. So here as you can see, it couldn't capture it perfectly. Let me just try to capture another picture with some other product here. So let me just try to capture a separate picture and quickly show you the demo of the same. So here, as you can see, I captured a separate photo and the quality looks mind-blowing. As you can see here, the quality looks very good. Every detail is shown up into this picture. Considering this is 8 megapixel camera, this is quite mind-blowing. And apart from that, the camera application also supports video recording at 1080p, that's HD video recording, and also 1080p video playback. And one of the best features of this device is the 4050 mAh battery support, which is pretty good considering the last screen and the features which comes onto this device. A battery of 4050 mAh is mind-blowing, because you could keep running this device for a lot of time and also browse a lot of web onto this device. So as you can see, we have a bunch of different applications which come pre-installed onto this device, like air sharing. You have some tools here like the sound recorder, flashlight, DLNA search, and few other applications which come here. The Google based applications which are obviously pre-installed onto all the Android devices. You have a bunch of applications under the option called Phone Manager, for cloud sync, backup, phone finder, app installer, downloads, system update, and help center. So there are a bunch of different applications which come pre-installed onto this device. We will probably try to run a few benchmark tests and show you the same onto this device. So stay tuned for more on Devices Media, and we'll keep you updated. Thank you.